Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we will make very simple but very tasty recipe green chili and garlic noodles with chicken stir fry. Noodles and chicken are favorite of all of us. We can make it anytime and enjoy it. So let's see how to make tasty noodles and chicken quickly. First of all we will marinate the chicken. So here I have taken 200 grams of chicken. I have washed it thoroughly and cut it into small square pieces. So first of all we will add salt according to taste. Half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, and 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. We will mix all this well with chicken. I'm not making the chicken spicy at all here. If you want to keep it a little spicy, then you can increase the quantity of black pepper and also add some chili flakes. After mixing the chicken and sauces well, we will keep this chicken for marination for half to 1 hour. After 1 hour, we will fry the chicken. So we will take 3 to 4 spoons of oil in a pan. As soon as the oil gets hot on a medium to high flame, we will add the chicken in it. Here we will cook it on a medium to high flame for 5 to 7 minutes while continuously stirring and turning the chicken. We have cut the chicken into small square pieces, hence it will not take much time to cook. We just have to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes with continuous turning so that the chicken becomes completely tender. So it's been 5 minutes here since the chicken has been cooking. Now we will add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. We will also fry the garlic on medium to high flame for 20 to 25 seconds while turning so that its rawness goes away and the aroma starts emanating from it. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and fry them for 10 to 15 seconds. So here the chicken has become soft and all the spices and garlic have been fried. So now we will sprinkle some finely chopped green onion leaves and finely chopped coriander in it. Here our chicken is ready, so keep it aside. Now let's prepare the noodles. So again we will put 3 to 4 spoons of oil in a pan. As soon as the oil gets hot, we will add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped spicy green chilies. We will also fry this by continuous turning them until their color changes. It will also take about 1 minute for garlic and chili to get fried here. So you can see that after cooking the garlic and chili for 1 minute, their color has turned golden brown, which means they have been fried. So now we will add the boiled noodles to it. On a medium to high flame, while turning continuously, we will mix the noodles well with garlic and green chilies. Here I boiled the noodles on a medium to high flame, adding oil and salt for 5 to 7 minutes until they got cooked. So here once the noodles are completely mixed, we will turn off the flame of the stove. Now we will sprinkle some finely chopped coriander and green onion leaves over the noodles. And according to the taste, we will grate the cheese also. Cheese is optional here. You cannot add it if you want. So we will mix all this well again. You can increase or decrease the quantity of green chilies depending on how spicy you want the noodles to be as per your taste. I have kept them medium spicy here. So here our noodles are also ready. Now you can add the chicken to the noodles and mix it, or also serve it on the top of the noodles. So isn't it a very easy recipe? You must try this recipe of green chili with garlic noodles and chicken stir fry. These tasty chicken garlic noodles are completely spicy, delicious and easy to make in less time. If you like the recipe then do save and share it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.